Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In earlier videos we are trying to do SSH and we have discovered more options like key based authentication, password based authentication, how to disable password based authentication, how to disable root login disable. Now we'll go further. So I have logged into my server which is daily study and the Jenkins. Okay, so both server we are having. What changes I did, I have created one more user called KK on this system. And as you know, we are already having a user called Amit. So we are having two users. Currently, SSH and port number we have committed 66, username KK @ 192.168.1.6. No route defined. Okay, connection 106. Password. Okay, I am able to log into that server with username. Let me exit, clear my screen. Using KK option, user we are able to log in, and user Amit also is able to log in. Perfect. So now I want only Amit user or only KK user can log in to Jenkins server. So what we'll do, go to this and we'll search for allow agent. Okay, so allow user is not there. We'll go at the end of the line and we'll mention ALLOW USERS users and we'll mention KK user we are allowing. Okay, service reload. Now if I do Amit user, even though I am typing the right password, it won't allow me, because we have permitted only KK user. Now if I do KK user, say KK user is able to log in. Okay, so this is how you can define using which user you can log into this system. We'll do more changes. Instead of KK we'll put Amit. Restart. Now KK user will not work. It will again prompt a password. Say, if I do Amit user, I'm able to log in. I will log out again, and now what I will do, I did some mistake here. Shift G, allow user 1. Okay, in users S is missing 108 IP. If your server is having 108 IP, then only it will allow. If I put 107, reload the service, and I will try, it won't work because this system currently configured with 105 IP. Shift G, replace 7 with 5. Okay, now we'll try. Have we reload? No, reload the service. Okay, now let me start the session again. See, it's working. So this is how you can define. Let's clear my screen. What we did. It go to end of the file. Okay, here we are using the allow users. And if you are doing allow user and a username, so only this user will be allowed to do SH, other user will not allow. Okay, even it is key based, password based, whatever it is. Second thing, if you put up IP with that username, so it will allow that user from that specific username, other user will not allow. Like Amit, we can replace with KK and we'll restart the service. So earlier Amit user is able to log in. Now it won't. See, and if I put KK in place of Amit, see, that will work. So that's how the power of SSH you can enable. Only particular user can log into this system. Other users are not authorized to log in system from that specific IP. Even if I try to log in from some other IP, it won't work. This KK user allows from this IP only. From other user, you can log in from other IPs. I have bind KK user with this IP for SSH. So hope you understand these things, how to allow users and how to allow a user from a specific IP. That's all for today's video. Keep learning. We'll discuss more about chroot directory and all, jailing a user in upcoming video. Till then, keep learning. See you in next video. Bye bye.